Hi everyone, today we will learn alphabet scene and its sound is S. Alphabet scene and the sound is S. Scene. Scene. The sound is S-A, S. Read after me, S. Now pause the video and do practice for writing and reading scene. Okay, perfect. Now I will give some examples. Scene, stamp. In English, we say snake, and in Urdu, we say stamp. In Urdu, we say sar, and in English, we say head. In Urdu, we say sitara, and in English, we say star. Let's revise the lecture. Today we have learned alphabet scene and the sound is S, scene, samp, scene, sar, and scene, sitara. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel for more educational content like this. I have made a separate playlist especially for the sounds of alphabet of Urdu and in English. See you in the next video.